Imagine a dessert so scrumptious, its taste lingers on your palate long after you've savored the last morsel. Picture a golden, tantalizing treat, delicately flavored with cardamom and ghee, adorned with pistachios and almonds. This is the magic of homemade Gulab Jamuns, a classic Indian sweet dish, and today you'll learn how to create this delight in your own kitchen. Begin by creating the dough. Take 1 cup of milk powder, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of baking soda. Combine these dry ingredients, ensuring they blend harmoniously. To this, add a 1/4 cup of milk slowly to form a soft, pliable dough. Remember, the key to a perfect Gulab Jamun is a smooth, crack-free dough, so knead with love and patience. Next, divide the dough into small, equal-sized portions. Roll these portions into smooth, round balls, ensuring there are no cracks. While shaping your dough balls, heat up a pan with sufficient ghee or oil for deep frying. Once the ghee is hot enough, gently drop in the dough balls. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Remember, keep the heat on medium and stir gently so the balls cook evenly and don't burn. While your Gulab Jamuns are frying, prepare the sugar syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar with 1½ cups of water in a pan. Add a few strands of saffron for that royal touch, and 2 crushed cardamom pods for a subtle aromatic flavor. Bring this mixture to a boil and let it simmer until the syrup is of one-string consistency. Once your Gulab Jamuns are fried and your syrup is ready, it's time for them to come together. Immerse the fried balls in the warm sugar syrup. Let them soak up the sweetness for a couple of hours. The longer they sit, the more flavorful they'll become. To finish, garnish your Gulab Jamuns with finely chopped almonds and pistachios. And there you have it, your homemade Gulab Jamuns ready to be devoured. In essence, the process is simple. Combine your ingredients, shape and fry your dough, prepare your syrup, and let the Gulab Jamuns soak. Garnish and serve. So why not give it a try, unleash your inner chef, and create this delicious dessert right in your home? After all, nothing beats the joy of creating something from scratch, especially when it turns out to be as delectable as these homemade Gulab Jamuns. Happy cooking!